Can you close it, Mage? Yeah, close it up. Close it up. You got it. Yeah, there you go. Nice job. You got it. Close it up, Mage. Close it up. Yep, we gotta close it up. What are you doing? Mitchie, close it up. Close it up. Close it. Mitch, we gotta close it. Close the door. There you go. Oh, down again. Close it up, Mage. Close it. Close it. Come on. Oh, fake out. Fake out. How does it close, Mage? Come on. Mage, you gotta close it. Yeah, there's dish soap. Oh, you won't close it until there's dish soap in there, will you? I get it. I get it. That's my fault. Here you go. There you go. There you go. Yep, now it's in. Yep. Now you can close it. Come on, close it up. There's dish soap in there now. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Yeah. Nice job, Mage.